Hello, third grade artists. I can't wait to see you guys again. And I have a fun lesson for you today because you are going to get to investigate something you are curious about and draw that. So there's not going to be a demonstration video because I don't know what you're curious about, but I'm going to help you kind of work through the creative process of thinking about things that you might want to do. Um, so we're going to start with our I can today. I can use familiar resources to investigate a personal idea. So we're going to talk about familiar resources investigating personal ideas. So I'm going to explain all of those words. So, resources are the things that we have available to us. So, familiar resources would be things that we know all about. Things we are familiar with are things that we know about personally because we have used them or done them. So, familiar resources are things that you could gather up to use for an art project, or maybe the materials that you're going to use that you have available to you. So if you're going to investigate something, you're going to look closely at it, carefully examine it. So you could also research it, as in going on the internet or looking at books about that topic that you're interested in. So let your curiosity be your guide as you learn more about a topic for making art. By making art, think of something that you're curious about and investigate it by looking at it or researching it. So some suggestions might be animals, nature, or science. So you see pets here, you see wild animals, and you see farm animals. So there's a wide range of animals here because that's a good topic for you guys to think about because you can probably find lots of information, or you are have something available to you to look at, maybe a pet, or maybe you live on a farm and you have some farm animals that you could look at. If not, you may have some kind of wildlife, vegetation, flowers, plants, trees, things like that that you could look at and draw. And that is it. And to investigate it means to look carefully at it and think about where would this grow. Because if we know anything about this frog, we could think about where would we place him in his habitat. His habitat would be where would he live. Um, so to investigate would be learning more about the topic while you're learning how to draw it. So, I would like for you to think about the things that are around you today and get a piece of paper and pencil and maybe make a sketch first of your idea that you're investigating. If you want to research that idea and come up with more things that you could include in your drawing, that would be awesome. So you can use whatever materials you have available because that is part of the I can was to use familiar resources. Resources are things that we have available to us, and everybody doesn't have the same resources. So everybody's drawing would be different. So I can't say this is what you have to use. So I've enjoyed talking to you today, and I can't wait to see your creative art. Thanks for watching.